right here is the McKeon firefighter. And basically what it does is in the event of a fire or event of smoke inhalation, this unit is going to come down. It's going to direct people to go that way. Good thing is you got your exercise with the arrows on it. That got arrows going that way. These got arrows going that way. So it's kind of foolproof if you know what you're looking for, okay? So when the heads of smoke, when they smoke, the unit will come down. This is a safety edge. It's not connected right now. We'll get that connected for you. Safety edge is for if somebody's hit, comes down and hit something or hit somebody, it'll go back up. So these right here, I'm gonna turn this one off. It's gonna simulate a power loss, and you'll see what it's gonna do. It's gonna sit up there for a little while. Because it's waiting on the generator to kick in. But, so this came down in 7 seconds. All of them are a little bit different, you know, they come down pretty much, you know, at different paces and stuff. But as soon as the generator kicks in, it should go back up, okay? Just like if I go back in. If somebody, so when the alarm goes off, everybody knows that the elevator's egress to the bottom floor. If somebody is on there, they can't push this right here to egress. It's one of these buttons on the other side as well. So if they're inside, they can push it. If they push it on the outside, it doesn't matter. It will go back up, but if it's a true in the state of alarm, the elevators aren't going to come up and get them. So they would have to use the exits and stuff. This basically keeps all the smoke inside, keeps all, the quickest way for a fire to get through a building is through the elevator shaft. So this keeps the smoke and all, a lot of the fire inside the elevator shaft. All right, so this here doesn't have any pocket doors, very, very simple. I'm pretty sure you've got that around for a while. You guys seen the ones with pocket doors, close up. This ain't got no pocket doors. You're gonna pretty much grab, because they're clear panels, try to grab 2, all right? This part of the demonstration is all hands on. So you get a volunteer.
Come on, Ronnie.
I'll do it. You got 2? Yep. And pull it straight out. Now you can open it up. Watch your fingers. All right, so when you're lining it up, you got peaks and valleys there, you got peaks and valleys here. Forward. All right. See the bottom gauge?
Turn it down.
So that's what's going to create your sound barrier. I want you to stay over there because we're going to do it in a quick second, okay? All right, maybe one more volunteer?
Hey, I'm ready for it. It's easy, right?
Yep.
And we can start it out this little.
Yeah, it's a little bit over. If you don't grab 2, what'll happen is it'll start to open up, and that back one, it'll hit either this one, they hit the next panel, or the back one, they hit the wall.
Okay.
So this one's gonna be a little bit different. You need one in a second.
How do you know which side you just gotta go where the handle is?
Yep.
Outside.
There you go. Then line up your peaks and valleys. There you go. Now in this one, you're gonna use the crank there. You're just gonna crank it to the wall. As soon as it touches the wall, just give it a little snug. Don't try to overdo it, or you can give me a call.
We're gonna get your number.
Yeah. There you go. All right, at this point, because it got a real good SPC rating, got the plumbing barrier. How much can you hear over there? Okay. And he's up. You guys are talking about yeah. So that's basically what it does. You can have 2 events going on at the same time, and really not hear anything. Yeah. And then breaking it down, you're gonna do absolutely the opposite.